In this video, we're going to take a look at how you rewrite equations in y equals or slope-intercept form. So you're going to get all the y on one side, all the letters on the other. So in a typical problem, it'll look where you have x's and y's on one side, maybe, and you're trying to send those over to the other side. It's the slope-intercept form. It's y equals form. So here's number 1, 3x minus 2y equals negative 16. So let's take a look at how you do that. I want to get this into y equals form. This letter y, I want to keep on this side. I want to get all the other letters over to the other side. The way that you do that is you send these letters over by following orders of operations. So the first, you are going to undo what's added and subtracted, and then you're going to undo what's being multiplied and divided. So I'm going to subtract 3x and bring that term over to the other side. Then 3x, take away 3x, those cancel. I've now got negative 2y equals negative 3x minus 16. I've almost got the y all by itself in just one move. Sending that 3x over, I'm almost done. But I got to get rid of this negative 2. This negative 2 that's in front of the y is causing a problem. So I'm going to divide every single piece by negative 2. Then it's gone. Negative 2 is canceled. Goodbye. Y equals a negative divided by a negative is a positive. 3 over 2x, a negative divided by a negative is positive 8. And so my answer would be y equals 3 over 2x plus 8, or if you did do 3 divided by 2, that's 1.5. So you could write it as y equals 1.5x plus 8. And that is another solution that is the same for number 1. So again, you get rid of what's being added or subtracted to the y, and then you get rid of being what's multiplied and divided. And it really is kind of a two-step process to get this particular type into y equals form. Now what I'd like you to do is take a look at number 2 on the worksheet and go ahead and try to pause the video right now as you work out the answer and then see what you have. So go ahead and push pause, work it out, and then in a few short seconds here I will show you the solution steps. Welcome back. Here's what you need to do. You need to subtract 13x on both sides. That's what I did here. Then I have 11y equals minus 13x minus 12 just by bringing the 13 over. Now I can divide everything by negative 11 because that's the negative 11 here that I want to get rid of. Divide every term by negative 11, which yields this solution. Y equals 13 elevenths x plus 12 elevenths. Now, a negative divided by negative is a positive. That's where that plus sign comes from. If you did the dividing with your calculator, you might have ended up with some repeating decimal numbers like this. And I was showing those here as well so you can have both forms. So hopefully you're getting the concept of sending all of the variables and all of the other numbers over to the other side and get it in y equals form. And that's how you do that, shown just like this. Good luck.